Hello, Glenn Danuser with Danuser Attachments, here today to introduce you to the new EP auger system. This is an informational walk-around video to give you a little bit of insight of what we changed, what's new. The most exciting feature with the new EP auger system is Danuser's own planetary. This is our own planetary, manufactured to our engineered design. We have put our check and fill plugs on the outside of the planetary, as opposed to some competitor models will have them under the housing, which means that you have to take the head away from the mount, remove the housing to access the check and fill plugs. The EP comes standard with a 2-inch hex output spindle. We've increased the motor capacity and the hose capacity to allow for 3,500 PSI as opposed to previous model was a 3,000 PSI max. As you'll notice here, the model numbers, we have an EP 1020 and we have an EP 1530. The numbers indicate the flow range. So this model takes 15 to 30 gallons per minute to operate, and this one is 10 to 20 gallons per minute to operate. Our EP auger system is rated up to 3,500 PSI. In the event you put this head on a vehicle that's producing more than 3,500 PSI, we do offer our cross-port relief valve. The cross-port relief valve will intercept between the vehicle and the power head through the hoses, and then you'll add 2 more hoses to come back into the power head. So whatever the vehicle is producing, as it hits the cross-port relief valve, it tones it back down to 3,500 PSI before it enters the hydraulic motor. This is our tractor loader Euro Global Quick Attach. This Quick Attach has the adjustable cradle, just like all the others. Also has a hose holder spring kit. The spring kit helps keep the hoses from entanglement and try to help keep it away from pinch points. The skid steer Quick Attach has your center as well as your offset. So this would allow you to put the same plate on for a tractor loader with a skid steer type Quick Attach and move your power head over to the side. There again, cradles are adjustable on all these Quick Attaches. Each Quick Attach plate has a cradle option that has 2 different degree of carrying angles. This is a 30-degree transporting angle and a 15-degree transporting angle. So when you use your standard 4-foot-long augers, you can keep your cradle in the 15-degree transporting angle, which will help hold the auger more horizontal, which allows you to lower your arms for greater visibility. If you're using longer augers and/or extensions, you may need to adjust the cradle to the 30-degree to pull it away from the housing. As you're digging, you do not want the cradle to push into the housing. Here is our excavator backhoe pin-on mount system that goes to the end of the dipper stick. This would be used on your excavator backhoe without a Quick Attach feature. And this here is our excavator backhoe mount with Quick Attach, which does incorporate the adjustable cradle. On our hose kits, we have eliminated the 3/4 hose kit and have gone only with a 1/2-inch diameter hose kit with skid steer flat face couplers. For our tractor loaders, we also put our tractor loader hose kit on this one, which secures here in the center, runs the hoses down the arms and around the back, which stays with the tractor at all times. When you separate the EP from the tractor, the hose kit will stay with it and everything is sealed. Your power head is sealed, which allows you to go back for the use of a bucket or pallet forks. So how do you pick the right auger drive to fit your vehicle? Okay, well, let's use for example that both these vehicles behind me are 18 gallon per minute output. If you go with the model 1020 at 18 gallons, you'll be on the high side of the flow range, which means you'll get greater speed with a little less torque. Over here on the 1530, you're on the lower side of the flow range, which will provide you more torque with a little less speed. So if you have light duty digging, it's better to opt for more speed. If you have difficult digging, clay, rocks, hard ground, then you'll always want to go for the more torque and stay on the lower side of the flow range. Our new EP auger system carries a 5-year limited warranty in addition to the lifetime spindle pullout. Each power head is shipped with 45-degree fittings. Hoses are trapped with bulkhead nuts to allow for deeper digging and tighter locations to where the hoses do not get caught on anything. This auger bit is our tree planting auger. It creates a 2-stage hole. This one does an 18 diameter at the top and a 9-inch at the bottom. Your root system will sit in the 18-inch hole, and as the tree grows, the roots will power down to the 9-inch to grab nutrients. This is our cast head auger. This has a steel cast head at the bottom with drive-in teeth. This auger is great for heavy-duty digging, almost anything except solid rock. When you're ready to buy your new EP auger system, please visit www.danuser.com, click on the How to Buy section, and find your state, which will have your distributor's information. Contact your distributor and they will put you in touch with a local dealer in your area. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, subscribe, and pound that like button. We also have a Danuser newsletter. It's a once-a-month email that goes out. It tells you a little bit about what we're working on and what's new with Danuser. Thanks for your time.